Let me preach this to you because this is the truth. God is in your journey. He is. Even if it is long, even if you don't feel that He is there, He is there. Even when you think He's not there. God is there. In your journey. Akala mo wala siya. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo siya maramdaman. Akala mo wala siya kasi hindi nasusolve yung problema mo. Akala mo wala siya kasi hindi mo naaabot yung pangarap mo. The whole time, kasama mo ang Diyos. Doon sa mga niluha mong baldi-balding luha, yung mga sakit na yan, yung mga failures mo, yung mga kasalanan mo, yung tagumpay mo na tinataas-taas mo yung trophy at medal mo, kasama mo ang Diyos. Can you tap 5 people around you? Tap them. Tell them, kasama mo ang Diyos. Kasama mo ang Diyos. Kasama mo ang Diyos. Kasama mo ang Diyos. Deuteronomy ended with the death of Moses. Tapos, tingnan nyo papasok na sila sa lupang pangako. Namatay yung leader. Nako, they were devastated. This also happened to you. This also happened to us. Ano yan? When we fulfill our dreams. Di ba? Yung nagkaroon ka ng bagong bahay, wow. Nagkaroon ka ng baby, finally. Na-promote ka, hi, salamat. Gumraduate ka rin after 9 years sa high school. Thank you, Lord. Nagka-jowa ka ulit. Wow, tagumpay. Ay, nagka-asawa ka, oy, tagumpay. But when you arrive in the promised land, there is a rude awakening. Why? There are new sets of problems. Pagpasok nila sa lupang pangako, wala yung leader natin. Ano tayo ngayon? And here is another truth I want you to hold on to. The goal of your journey is not to reach the destination, not to reach your dreams, not to be answered, your prayers be answered. The goal of the journey is to walk with God every day. If you reach your destination, thank God. Thank you, Lord. If not, every day will still be amazing. Why? Ask me why. Because you walk with God every day. That's the goal. Kahit wala pang nangyayari, di ba? Nakailang try ka na magka-baby, hindi nagkaka-baby. You walk with God every day. Nakailang board exams ka na, kamukha mo na yung proctor. Baksa ka pa rin. You walk with God every day. Nagka-boyfriend ka na naman, nakailang ex ka na, parang iiwan ka ulit. You walk with God every day. Kahit malayo pa ang dreams mo, please, walk with God every day. It will still be amazing because God is there with you. And the whole thing, Genesis hanggang Samuel, ipapakita sa atin, nasa slaves sila, kasama nila ang Diyos. Sa wilderness, pasaway sila, kaya 40 years sila na ilang araw lang dapat maglalakad, makakapasok na. God was there. And once they are in the promised land, God was still there. Hindi sila pinabayaan. At hindi ka rin pababayaan ng Diyos. Just tell Him, Lord, walk with me every day. Pag dilat nyo bukas, paggising nyo, invite Jesus. Tell Jesus, Lord, walk with me today. Marami akong gagawin. Walk with me today. Lord, yan ang panalangin ko, Lord, ang dami kong labada. Walk with me today. Marami akong sisingilin na magtatago. Walk with me today. Mag-aaral ka, may exam ka, walk with me today, Lord. Tabihan nyo naman ako ng matalino. Para hindi nangungopia ako, Lord, na nasasagap ko yung talino niya. Ganyan yan, no? Walk with God every day. Can you tell your friend beside you, walk with God every day? Can I tell you the third truth? Yes? Gusto niyo ng pangatlong katotohanan? Pilitin niyo ako. Sabihin niyo, please. Luhod kayo, luhod. God also wants to walk with you every day. If you're not convinced but by what I said, look at the cross. That's the symbol of God's great love for you. He wants to walk with you every day. Just invite Him. Hindi namimilit ang Diyos, ha? Imbitahan mo lang. Kakaroon ka ng tunay na kapayapaan.